This is Dean. I buy cool stuff. So a couple of things I've bought. I have bought a good number of World War II sniper rifles. So let's take a look at all these sniper rifles. These are all World War II matching rifles that I've picked up. Only one of them was really at a gun show. Every other one was through back doors, through whatever, different places. So we've got a scant stock 1903 World War II sniper. The scope is post World War II. The serial number is where it belongs and how it's supposed to be done. And this did come from a gun show, but I got it right before the show opened. So that one was all right. This is a Mosin Nagant. All matching numbers. No import marks. I got this from an old man. Said his friend got it right after World War II from somebody that brought it back, I believe. And it's all matching. No import marks. The scope number does not match the rifle, but the bolt and stuff does. It's got the original bent bolt. So this is a German G43. And I picked up the gun from a man that brought it into a gun show that I was set up at. The gun is all matching. The scope, it did not have a scope with it when I bought it. The scope come in at another gun show, scope and base, machined steel base, an original machined steel base. So the scope and base does not match the rifle. And that come into a gun show and got that for $150. But it's because I was set up. He come into the show and seen my display out on the table and says, "Hey, I've got a German sniper rifle scope and mount. You interested?" And I says, "Let's see it. But if you're not set up and you're not out there looking and selling and buying, you're not going to find things." This here is a Mauser 98K with the ZF41 scope. All matching numbers. This one here did not also have a scope, but a friend called me and said, "Hey, I picked up a 98. It's all matching. You interested?" At which point in time I said, "Yeah." It's got partly phosphate finish. It's a late war, 1945. And I had to go to shows down in Louisville to find a scope for it, scope and base. And I paid up for it. Don't mind paying up for it, but now it is a complete gun. And so we've got 3 countries here all represented. And we're going to take them out and shoot them this year. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and when it's still cold here in Michigan, we still got snow on the ground. So when I start shooting these out, I've shot a couple of them already, but we're going to take them out to my property. We're going to shoot these. We're going to shoot a lot of other guns too. So come back, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you all up at the property this summer shooting all these. I have tons and tons of military surplus and anything you can imagine. Anything from a 50 cal to a full auto Rising M50. And we're going to shoot them all this summer. So I got a belt-fed belt-fed Colt Vickers that I've shot. If you look on my videos now, you can see me shooting some of these. So there's already shooting videos. It's just stuff I had in my phone, but we're trying this YouTube out. And you're going to be able to see all these up at the property shooting. So subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you all later.